Assalamualaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with the new amazing token site which name is Yield Gaming. So Yield Gaming is a very amazing project and very amazing token site where you can invest your money and you will get a huge profit in a very few time period, because they do not offer any private sale or public sale. They already launched on the PancakeSwap and you can buy them now on PancakeSwap, and they are going to moon in a very few hours. So you can get a huge profit if you buy them now and hold it for only one night, because they are launched already. So let's go. Today I'm going to show you how we can buy their tokens. We also discussed their other detail like roadmaps, their tokenomics, and their social medias. So first of all, I give you a little introduction about the Yield Gaming. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my each and every video on your mobile screen first. So Yield Gaming builds the bridge between the crypto world and the sports, connecting sports NFT marketplace and the crypto community through a series of competition, bid betting, and prizes that highlight the leading ideas and individual shaping the future to sport on the blockchain. So one new amazing thing is that you don't need to add their token. You don't need any symbol, any their decimal. You just copy their contract address and just go to your PancakeSwap. When you find it on your PancakeSwap, you will find them easily because they are already listed on the PancakeSwap. So if just you need to click on the buy token, then you will find out PancakeSwap. You just need to connect your wallet with your PancakeSwap or connect your Trust wallet or MetaMask. It's your choice. You just need to write the amount of your BNB that you uh, want to use for their tokens, or if you only need to paste their address and you will find out their tokens on the PancakeSwap or in your MetaMask wallet. You need just go to your MetaMask wallet. So here you need to don't show again and click on the dismiss. So here you need to click on the you just need to click on the import token here. When you click on the import token, you need to write paste the address that you copied from that site and add on custom token. So here you can see that I add their token on my wallet. So this is very simple way to add their token on your wallet and very simple way to exchange on PancakeSwap. So now we discuss about the other thing regarding their project. So we go back home page. So after here you can see there about Yield Gaming, why we should choose their project, because Yield Gaming is a sports based community token developed mainly to create a safe haven for sports lovers. Their main goal is to provide people to save and trust worthy place where they can use their crypto for reward, betting, staking, and ticketing. As a sports community developed token, they focused on the needs of their sports lover community members. Yield Gaming is an upcoming as a sports community developed token. They focus on need on their sports lover community members. Yield Gaming is an upcoming next level online sports betting and ticketing platform aimed at bringing cryptocurrency and smart contract based protocols on to the mainstream. The platform utilizes the Binance Smart Chain for transactions, giving unprecedented flexibility and speed on bet executions. BSC is an most advanced blockchain solution for smart contract and allow low fee and fast transaction. So here you can find their project on three social medias on Telegram, Twitter, and White. If you want to get their more information, you need to download their white paper. So because in their white paper they give each and every information regarding their project. So if you download their white paper and open their white paper, then you will find out each and every solution of your problem that you have regarding their project. So after this we go back and study about the tokenomics. So their supply is burn reduce supply, and they have a buyback guarantee. So here you can see that 3% burn, which reduces the supply on every transaction. Supply is only 50,000 token, and the burn will be till 35,000 token, which means rise in price and stability. And they have a buyback. So 3% of the tax will be used for 1% buyback, 1% marketing, and 1% of hope holders rewards. No need to form stake or fill out claim forms. So auto reflection is also include in their tokenomics and their features. So here you can see that they have 2% tax will be redistributed among holders. The more yield token you hold, the more rewards you will receive on every transaction. So after their tokenomics, we scroll down, and here you will find out their ecosystem. So Yield Gaming bridge sports betting tickets, selling and blockchain technology with native token and tournaments. Sports betting Yield Gaming Bet is a decentralized peer-to-peer betting platform. The main advantage are the attractive near zero fees and the efficiency in regards to transactions. So reward pool, the reward system in yield gaming is quite simple. Earn more rewards by simply holding the yield token and win in the monthly rewards. So now about sport ticketing. So yield gaming allows anyone to purchase the tickets for your next sport instantly using yield gaming token with zero fee. Direct tickets purchase using crypto soon. So now we discuss about the benefit of the holding yield gaming token in the long run. So this is Alto reward token, and they give monthly giveaways, and this is anti-whale mechanism. This have anti-whale mechanism and highly secured. So guys, this is going to be very amazing in future, and they are very crazy because their price is going to moon. So how reward pool will work, so you will find out their information coming soon. So earn cash prize from our rewards pool. The reward are distributed based on lottery system that involves the drawing of tickets numbers at random for prizes. Members will get free tickets based on their yield gaming holding amount. They can also purchase audition number of tickets from the yield token. Buying more tickets will give you more chances to win monthly prizes. So after this you can see other things, other features like free tickets. They are offering free tickets, holding based reward tickets. You can buy the tickets from there. So it is also very coming soon. So you can also multiply your prizes by using their tokens. So you can here you can see their token allocation. So sorry. So this is their token allocation. Buy and hold yield gaming token in your wallet, and you will get rewards automatically from your every transaction in term of tax. Total 8%, where 2% tax will be redistributed among the holder, and 3% tax will get burned and reduce the supply on every transaction till 35,000 tokens. For 3% of tax will be used for 1% buyback, 1% marketing, and 1% top holders reward. No need to form stake or fill out claim forms. Yield works by taking an 8% fee on every transaction, which is divided into three parts as mentioned above briefly. The burn is 3% transaction fee. The more yield token you hold, the more reward you will receive. So they are listed on PancakeSwap. Their total supply, their fair launch, their supply burn, their auto reflection, and their buyback reward is mentioned here. You can see it. After this, you can also see there they have a 55% of the tokens for PancakeSwap, 14% for exchanges, 13% for Honor, and 12% for wild marketing, and 6% for team development. So after this, we discuss about the roadmap. Basically, roadmaps are the plan that they set according to their time period, different time period. So they have different plan in their different segments and features. So first of all, we get detail about their project initiatives. They set for the September, but they have different plans like background research and development, team allocation, ground zero checking. Their major launch on October and November, the Pancake Swap listing, CMC and CG listing, influencer marketing, monthly prize giveaways, initiations, empowering community, November, January, Dex tools, trending, CMC trending, Reddit trending, viral marketing and global marketing here. So in January and March, their partnership with Popular Sports are very soon, and 5K holder CX listing initiations. These are the plans for the January and March. So you can also see their plans for March and April here. So after seeing their plans in March and April, you can also see their other plan in April to November in 2022. They have a plans for their public resale release of betting platform instantly by tickets using yield token, 30K holders, development of gaming NFT online sports store, energy drink brand, yield token, more coming soon. So you can also contact them directly by writing your message. So after this we go there on their social medias. You just need to follow them and click the bell icon so to see each and every update regarding their project on their social medias. So thank you very much, this is very amazing. So don't waste your time, go and buy their tokens, because these are already listed on the Pancake Swap. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.